Friends, welcome to the STF Education channel. Today I will tell you what an Arduino is. Let's figure out what an Arduino is. Arduino is a small board with its own processor and memory. The board also has a couple of dozen contacts to which you can connect all sorts of components, light bulbs, sensors, motors, kettles, routers, magnetic door locks, and anything that runs on electricity. You can upload a program to the Arduino processor that will control all these devices according to the specified algorithm. In this way, you can create an infinite number of unique cool gadgets made with your own hands and according to your own idea. In order to understand the idea, take a look at the illustration. It doesn't reflect a millionth of all the possibilities, but it still provides a primary representation. Arduino will be able to find out that you pressed a button, turned the slider, touched the beam, and will also be able to hear a sound or command, see an obstacle, get a signal, turn on the light, turn on the motor, send a message to a remote computer, and much more. Most people think that Arduino is more difficult to work with, but it's not. Even a complete zero in programming and circuitry can master the basics of working with Arduino in a couple of hours. Let's see how it works. Programs for Arduino are written in the usual C++ programming language, supplemented with simple and clear functions for managing I/O on contacts. If you already know C++, Arduino will be the door to a new world where programs are not limited to the computer, but interact with the world around them and influence it. If you are new to programming, it is not a problem, you will learn it easily, it is simple. For the convenience of working with Arduino, there is a free official Arduino Ide that runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With it, downloading a new program to Arduino becomes a matter of one click, just connect the board to the computer via USB. Although for more inquisitive minds, it is possible to work through Visual Studio, Eclipse, other IDEs or the command line, and for beginners, the Visual Programming Environment Xcode IDE is suitable. You won't need a soldering iron. Full-fledged devices can be assembled using a special layout board. Jumpers and wires absolutely without soldering. Write in the comments if you want me to review the breadboard layout board. Construction has never been so quick and easy. Arduino sandwich principle. Another distinctive feature of Arduino is the presence of expansion boards, so-called shields or simply shields. These are additional boards that are put like sandwich layers on top of the Arduino to give it new features. For example, there are expansion boards for connecting to a local network and the Internet, Ethernet shield, for controlling powerful motors, motor shield, for getting coordinates and time from GPS satellites, GPS module, and many others. So what is Arduino? Arduino is the heart of the designer, or more simply, the brain of the designer, in which there is no finite, specific set of parts, and there are no restrictions on the variety of what can be assembled. Everything is limited only by your imagination. This is a new world, a killer hobby and a great gift. Tens of thousands of people in the world have already realized this. Take a look at just a few examples of what is possible in the description. After all, this is grandiose. To learn more, come to us at STF Education. We will teach you.